Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a round line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Select the pen tool. Do not use fill. Use line color black. Okay. Then click the drop down menu. Stroke options. Caps. Around. Corners. Around. Align middle. Okay. Let's see. Try again. Hold shift. Hold shift. Hold shift. Hold shift. Hold shift. Increase the size. See this round line. That's it. Another way. Round line. Hold alter. Hold alter. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.